How to get story mode on TikTok. So TikTok has released a new feature, story mode, in which you can post stories just like Facebook or Instagram. So for this, you want to open up TikTok and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Here at the bottom, where you can find the option of upload, camera and templates, you're going to find the option of story. So if you don't have this option, just like here, I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can fix that. The first step is to head over to your Play Store, and here you want to search for TikTok. Now, if you find the update button here, you want to tap on update and update TikTok to the latest version. When TikTok releases a new feature, you want to update the app so you can get that feature as well. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means TikTok is updated here, but I'm still not able to get that feature. So this is because when TikTok releases a new feature, it makes it available only in a few regions and a few apps. So if you don't have that option, even after updating, you have to wait for a couple of time until TikTok makes it available everywhere else as well. So just wait for a couple of times. If you still don't get it, you can write to TikTok asking for the update. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.